So, very warm welcome. Thank you, all of you, for coming here. I think your presence here says and proves it all. The program for this evening is not new. You've seen this entertainment through and through. You've seen your birth, your life and death. You might recall all the rest. Did you have a good world when you died? Enough to base a movie on. I'd like to show you a small movie now.
It all started over a cup of Costa coffee with like-minded friends who shared a passion for driving. The idea was to create a platform combining the thrill of motorsport with luxury, to which a name was given to reflect speed and aggression with high brand recall. The Desert Dash 2009 was first off the block that surprised us with its good response and great feedback, but also wiped out all our funds and resources. But passion prevailed and the Himalayan Dash came into being and continues to be the most popular flagship event till date. We have managed multiple drives for Mitsubishi Pajero, Tata Motors and Renault Duster, and built competencies to become the exclusive brand experience partner of Land Rover to handle all the experiences and expeditions. But passion prevailed yet again, and we found a way to disrupt it all and bring one of the world's top 10 toughest motorsport events to India. Since its launch, Rainforest Challenge India has become the biggest, baddest and toughest off-road competition in India and won 3 national media awards. We also seeded the India 4x4 week to stamp our absolute dominance over the off-roading space in the country. We've built a name that our family is defined by and one of India's most qualified teams that defines us. We look forward to climbing new peaks while realizing the journey is the real destination.
I'm very proud that I think my one small contribution here was the choice of the name Cougar. After that, I haven't contributed anything. And, I believe that this is a 100 event celebration which took 7 years to do it, but I believe the next 100 is coming in the next 7 months only.
All the best. I think this has been a fantastic journey. As Gautam said, really jealous. I wish I was doing this, but I don't think I have it in me to kind of stick this through. It has been a long and arduous journey for him, and I wish him all the very, very best.
Ashish has been very, very supportive, and he's one of the inspiration for all of us, wherein he's taken up this Cougar Motorsports in 2009, and we have been closely associated with Ashish since then. I've seen all the days when we used to discuss how things are shaping up. Though I was not very, very regular in attending the Cougar events, but whenever we used to meet, we were just planning, discussing how to take things forward. So it was a great journey, and it's really a matter of pride and proud to see Ashish achieving this 100 events. And we just want to wish a lot of luck so that we continue to celebrate and hundreds and more hundreds and more hundreds.
I'm really glad that it's turned out this way, because for the last 7-8 years I think I've heard multiple times from Ashish that Vivek said कि यार ये scalable नहीं है. So every time he says I get embarrassed, but I'll be the happiest person when I'm proven wrong, Ashish, and I know I will be.
We were together, Vivek was with us, and it just grew, and I hope it keep on growing, and all the wishes from my side to Ashish.
When you do next 100, you should do in 3 years or 2 years, so that I still have some black hair.
All right, thank you, Sandeep.
Congratulations, Ashish. We are very proud of you. And congratulations to the complete Cougar team, which is like a family, whom we met so often in the last few years. And once again, very proud of you.
I mean, if those of you who've seen Diwar, you know, and Mulk Raj Dawar, which is Iftikhar, tells Jaychand, which is Sudhir, after Vijay brings in the first matador man of gold for them, and he says, Jaychand, इस लड़के को देख रहे हो? ये है लंबी रेस का घोड़ा. And that is what Mr. Sinha told me, that this boy is going to go very far. If this is the commitment of Cougar and its team, that what you can do, this is wonderful. I'm sure there's a bright future for it. With these words, I think I'll thank profusely, although it's not my space to be. It's his day and his team's day. Thank you very much, Ashish, for everything.
He's my partner in crime in Goa, no doubt about that. But Ashish, I always tell you, you live my dream life, right? That's the way he is. Thank you, Ashish.
Thank you, Ashish ji. Thank you, Cougar family, for inviting me. And welcome to Himalayan Dash, all of you. Thank you, sir.
I'm a chartered accountant, he's a chartered accountant. But look what I'm doing and what he's doing. My only contribution has been to just keep their books straight, nothing else. I'm glad to be here. Many, many congratulations. And wish you all the very best for the next 500.
आशीष सर का फोन आने वाला है। जब भी फोन आता है ना ये चिल्लाने शुरू कर देता है। तो प्लीज आप इसको लेके दूसरे कमरे में चले जाना।
मैं क्या करूं भाई, काम है तो ऑफिस में जाके करिए आप।
तो जब मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ तो तुम बोलते हो कि ऑफिस में रहते हो, जब घर में आता हूँ तो बोलते हो कि ऑफिस जाया करो। अब तुम ही बता दो कि इवेंट में ही रहूं या गाड़ी में सो जाऊं। ठीक है, ऐसे ही कर लूंगा मैं। अच्छा चुप आशीष सर का फोन आया। हाँ सर, इवेंट कब सर? सर 1 मिनट होल्ड करना। हाँ सर, डेट बताओ। हाँ सर, मैं तो फ्री हूँ। सर मैं आज शाम तक कंफर्म कर दूँ आपको? ठीक है सर, ठीक है, शाम को। अच्छा सुनो, वो वो नई पिक्चर आई है दंगल, देखने चलनी है क्या?
पहले ये बताओ किसका फोन था और कहाँ जाना है?
नहीं फोन तो ऐसी काम का था, बट ऐसी था, किसी का रैंडम कॉल था। तुम
इवेंट होगा कोई जरूर?
नहीं अरे सही बता रहा हूँ, चलो हम पिक्चर देखने चलते हैं ना आज।
तो पिक्चर से क्या होगा, शॉपिंग करा दो तो बात भी है, पिक्चर दिखा के ले आते हो बस।
क्या बताऊँ यार, जो पैसे कमाता हूँ पिक्चर और शॉपिंग में ही खत्म हो जाते हैं। चलो आशीष सर को बोलना पड़ेगा कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ा दें कुछ फीस। चलो ऐसा करते हैं फिर, चलो हम शॉपिंग ही चलते हैं।
ठीक है चलो। आइसक्रीम ऑल्सो ओके।
एक माँ की पिक्चर और शॉपिंग नहीं खत्म होती, तो ऊपर से ये डायनासोर गेम 500 रुपये तो ऐसे लग जाएंगे।
अब ज्यादा ग्रिप मत करिए, लेके चलिए।
चलो
ये बात क्या जानूं, तुम तो खुद ही क्या दिन हो, तुम ये बात क्या जानूं, तुम जब दिलों का दुनिया समझती।
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just the man and his will to survive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rivals. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night. And he's watching us all with the eyes of the tiger. Thank you. Since this was short, I'm going to be singing another one. The song is called Channa Meria, and it means light of my soul. So I just want to thank Ashish Uncle and Cougar Motorsport for bringing light and joy to all my lives. अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना, तेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना, दिल की संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना, चिट्ठी तारों पे भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना। अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया, मेरा उजला सितारा पे नाम लिया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बिल्लिया ओ पिया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बिल्लिया ओ पिया।
जलवा जलवा, yo blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat, come on. Jalva, give it to me. Jalva, give it to me. Jalva, gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss hot booty, come on baby, do your duty work. जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा। Tell him like it is, I can't hear. दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा। Throw it up, throw it up. जलवा आग सी रवानियां, I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it. लेती गए अंदाज़ियां, yo I'm the hottest girl around. ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा।
Best part is when in school I have to explain to my teachers what my father does. So every teacher has this question. बेटा तुम्हारे पापा क्या करते हैं? कुछ करते हैं आपको मतलब? Still.
तो सब लोगों से बारी घूम के आएगी, then they'll come to you. So, what does your father do? Say he organizes rallies. अच्छा बेटा मतलब गाड़ियों वाला, so F1. No, ma'am, not F1. तो बेटा क्या करते? गाड़ी चलाते हैं. गाड़ी चलाते हैं. मैम आप CS समझ लो, you know, there's nothing else to it. Just CS समझ लो. I invited one of my friends for. One of my friends has been here in Rajasthan for the Desert Dash, and he has still not forgotten. Every time we meet, somehow or the other, that comes up. I do not reach. So he has still not forgotten, and how he tells everybody else there that, you know, all of you should go for the Desert Dash. All of you should do this. So there are a lot of jealous people in my school also. So a lot of times, Dada and Dadi, when I'm sitting with them, they only ask, "Papa घर पे हैं?" नहीं. आएंगे. सुना है. I don't know if he's coming or not. So, you know, like that's the plan. So Ashish is coming tonight. हाँ, he's coming tonight. कितने बजे? 2 बजे. 2 बजे. इतना stress लेते हैं. And you know, you saw the video. कितना stress लेते हैं? बहुत stress लेते हैं. So we also कितना stress लेते हैं.
He is the one who's so ambitious. He is the one who goes on with heart courageous. He might have made many trial and error experiences that take time and thought. This important landmark in his life, these experiences only have brought. His perseverance has this day shown, and he has become a person well known. Completing 100 years, 100 events in the motorsports career will encourage him to work with more vigor. Today, we all give a hearty applause. You are so adventurous that you always rock. You rise and shine still further and further. This prayer we ask from God, keeping our fingers crossed.
सड़कों पर चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर. नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर. काला काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे. अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में.
जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे. वर्गी और न होनी वे. वर्गी और न होनी वे. तू मुंडा बिल्कुल देसी है मैं कटरी ना तो सोनी वे.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자. 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자. 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너는 선호해. 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해. 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해.
बत्तियाँ बुझा दो.
अरे बत्ती तो बुझा देगा.
बत्तियाँ बुझा दो कि नींद नहीं आती है. बत्तियाँ बुझाने से नींद नहीं आएगी. बत्तियाँ बुझाने वाली जाने कब आएगी.
देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला. लड़की नहीं है तुम्हें गरम मामला. बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या भला. कुछ भी कहा नहीं जा. अरे कन्याकुमारी अद्भुत नारी. बादशाह की मदद ने मारी. चढ़ के तेरे पे करूँ घोड़ सवारी. चांस जो एक मिल जाए. मेरी जन्नत जो तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन. मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन. आग लगाने आई है बंठन. घोड़ी चल गई धाम. तेरी ये तेरी जवानी करती है मन मानी. तेरे दांतों में उंगली मेरे मुंह में है पानी. मेरे समझ इशारे को लगी सामने
this or you just talking? अच्छा.
ये सब मुझे दारू पिला के बुलवाया जा रहा है.
ये नहीं आएगा. ये आएगा ही नहीं. यही कटाएगा. यही एडिट होगा.
मुगैम्बो खुश हुआ हेक्सापोर्ट से. जानी हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं.
खामोश.
अगर मुझे आशीष गुप्ता जी
प्यार, आदत, नफरत, इनमें से मैं आशीष जी को आदत करता है.
Ashish is a hard-working guy.
I love Ashish.
Works hard, parties hard.
I love Ashish.
तो एक अच्छी चीज और एक जो चीज आपको लगता है कि इम्प्रूवमेंट होनी चाहिए.
सोच के दाता है.
और कुछ पूछो और कुछ नहीं.
I think sense of urgency sometimes is killing. To quote an example, who are all coming for this event, which is happening next weekend. I get a message at 6:25. At 6:28, I think. It was just within 3 minutes. I was still talking to my wife. चलना है, क्या करना है, और कुछ काम तो नहीं है, घर के काम वाम, everything is alright. Can we go? And Ashish calls me, boss. Response to कर दो. 3 minutes.
He loves beer a little bit lesser, so I get to sleep earlier. आशीष सर को मैं एक ही चीज बताना चाहूँगा कि जो ड्यूरिंग ट्रैक के ऊपर हमारे सामने ना आए, because we get distracted.
Who has taken this call?